In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect bank accounts from QuickBooks Online. Managing your finances is critical for any business, and QuickBooks Online makes it easy to track your transactions. However, there may be times when you need to disconnect a bank or credit card account from QuickBooks, whether you're closing an account, switching banks, or simply reorganizing your bookkeeping. In this step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through the entire process to ensure everything is done smoothly and securely. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you'll find a registration link in the description below to help you get started. Now, let's dive into the steps. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account by entering your credentials on the login page. Once you're in, look to the left-hand panel on your screen. Here, you'll see a variety of sections that help you navigate through the platform. Click on the section labeled Transactions. After that, you'll notice a few tabs appear at the top of the screen. Select the one that says Bank Transactions. This is where QuickBooks Online organizes all your connected bank and credit card accounts. Next, locate the card that represents the bank or credit card account you want to disconnect. Each account will be displayed as a separate card, and you can scroll through the list if you have multiple accounts connected. Once you've found the correct account, look for a small pencil icon on the card. This icon gives you access to the account's edit options. Go ahead and click on it. Now, you'll see a set of options related to the account. Look for the box labeled Disconnect this account on Save. It's important to note that disconnecting the account will stop QuickBooks from pulling in new transactions, but your past transaction history will remain intact within the platform. Check this box to confirm that you want to disconnect the account. Finally, click the Save button to finalize the disconnection. This ensures that your changes are applied and the account will no longer sync with QuickBooks Online moving forward. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily disconnect any bank or credit card account from QuickBooks Online without any hassle. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.